Henry Museum is going through a renovation right now. Welcome to our very first episode of Renovation Revelations, where we get to peek behind the scenes. Let's go in and check it out. Today we are packing up the cast iron stoves in the O. Henry. This house had multiple stoves in different rooms for heating throughout the house. Today we're going to start packing up our cast iron cook stove first thing. Let's head to the back and check in with Travis of Gadberry Construction and see how we're going to get this done. Looks like he already has a plan. This cast iron cook stove has a stovepipe that exits through the ceiling of the house. The front of the oven, with the manufacturer's name Martin's King, is the firebox door with a sliding damper. And on the right side is a small door that allows access to the firebox. This range has 4 removable tip lids. The earliest stoves to replace the traditional open hearth were developed in Europe in the late 1700s by Benjamin Thompson, better known as Count Rumford. It consisted of cast iron elements in a brick range. But it wasn't until the 1800s in the United States that the growth of coal and mining enabled cast iron to be preferred material for making stoves. Cast iron could withstand the repeated temperature swings of hot and cold. Stoves were designed to burn wood or coal, and some could be used to serve as both heaters and cook stoves, while others were designed for the heating and beautification of a room, such as this parlor stove. While we are renovating, all of our stoves will be given a break from their duties and very carefully packed up. Special boxes have been constructed to protect the stoves and all of their carefully wrapped and cataloged parts. Once the stoves and their parts are snug and secure in their boxes, they will be sent to storage for the duration of our renovation. While we're going to miss their comforting presence, this is the safest place for them to be right now. See you all when the renovation is over.
I'm Rebecca Tasker.
And I'm Wendi Laws.
We'll catch you guys next time on Renovation Revelations.